bumabalik na naman ba si Dean?
No, Mom. Dean's just being a friend. Tsaka, lagi kami magkasama kasi parang pinagtatagpo talaga kami.
Well, baka that's a sign from the universe na you have to get over Pepe.
I don't know. You know, at least with Archie, nakapagpaalam kami. Magkasama kami hanggang sa huli. But with Pepe, parang pakiramdam ko kasi nandyan lang siya eh. Mom, what if... I mean, hypothetically speaking lang ha. What if buhay siya? Diba? I mean, you never know. Sad.